Good day, everyone. Welcome back to another conversation of timeless wisdom. Today, we're diving deep into a practice that can shape the way we approach life, starting each day with a Stoic reflection. As Marcus Aurelius once said, to live a good life, we have the potential for it if we can learn to be indifferent to what makes no difference. Zeno, do you think we, in today's world, truly understand the significance of that indifference?
An excellent place to start. Musonius, I think today, many people struggle with distractions. Their minds are pulled in every direction. Stoic reflection invites us to focus on what truly matters, not what the world bombards us with. It's about stripping away the noise. What do you think, Musonius? Can something as simple as reflection really help in our fast-paced lives?
Absolutely. Picture this. Every morning, you wake up and face a fresh canvas. Now, we can either be reactive to whatever comes our way, or we can intentionally set the tone for the day with a little bit of Stoic mindfulness. By reflecting on our thoughts and emotions, we prepare ourselves for the challenges ahead.
Resilience, yes. Stoicism teaches us that adversity is not to be feared but embraced. The world will throw many challenges at us, but through daily reflection, we can strengthen ourselves, knowing that setbacks are simply opportunities for growth. Every day we reflect, we fortify our mental armor. It's like training for life, isn't it?
Exactly, Zeno. And this self-examination allows us to see where we might be falling short in our virtues, like wisdom, courage, or self-discipline. Every morning, we get the chance to ask ourselves, where can I improve today? This kind of proactive reflection aligns us with our higher selves. It's like tuning an instrument before a performance, making sure we're in harmony.
That's a beautiful analogy, and it's a way to refine our character. When you ask yourself daily, what virtues do I need to embody today? You're constantly sharpening your ability to act with purpose. But of course, there's always the risk of overthinking, don't you think? How do we avoid getting lost in our own reflections?
That's a great point. The key is to stay grounded in the present. Stoic reflection isn't about spiraling into self-criticism. It's about mindfulness, focusing on what you can control right now, today. By reflecting on what truly matters, we free ourselves from the distractions of past regrets and future anxieties. We cultivate peace in the moment.
Yes, I do. In fact, the Stoics would say that the only time we truly have is the present. The past is gone, and the future isn't here yet, so why waste time on either? Through reflection, we realize this truth. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about using what's in front of you now to shape your thoughts, actions, and responses.
Now let's talk about adversity. When life throws a storm our way, Stoic reflection helps us stay calm. Think of it like preparing for battle, but mentally. We envision potential obstacles, and in doing so, our minds are not shaken when they actually occur. That's resilience in action. Do you have any personal stories, Zeno, where Stoic reflection has helped you maintain calm during difficult times?
When we cultivate virtue in ourselves, it radiates outwards. Think about it. By practicing kindness, wisdom, and justice, we influence everyone around us. Stoic reflection helps us check our impulses. We become more patient, more understanding, and more present with others. This transforms not just our own lives, but the world we interact with.
Exactly. It's like a ripple effect. So, for our listeners today, here's a practical takeaway. Start each day with just 5 minutes of Stoic reflection. Think about what virtues you want to embody, anticipate challenges you might face, and remind yourself that what you control is your response, not the world's chaos. It's a simple practice, but over time, it will transform how you approach life's trials and triumphs. Zeno, any final thoughts?
Yes, Musonius. I'd say to anyone listening, don't let the business of life steal your moments of reflection. When you begin each day with intention, you're setting yourself up for success in every other part of your life. Stoic reflection isn't just about surviving the day. It's about thriving in it, with virtue and resilience guiding your every step.
Thank you, Zeno. And thank you to our audience for joining us today. Remember, every morning is a fresh start, and with Stoic reflection, you can make the most of it. Take the time, 5 minutes or more, to center yourself, reflect on what matters, and set the tone for a day of resilience, virtue, and mindfulness. Until next time, remember, you have the power to shape your mindset and live each day with purpose. Stay reflective, stay strong, and take on the world with.
Stay inspired, everyone. And don't forget, you are the architect of your own reality. Reflect, act, and live with virtue.